Effective ventilation is essential for a healthy home and can help prevent problems such as condensation and mold. Your new home is ventilated through a combination of natural ventilation, such as air bricks and trickle vents, and controlled ventilation, such as the mechanical extract ventilation you may find in your bathroom. Air bricks can be found outside the property at low level and look like this. Their main job is to make sure that the air gets circulated around the cavity walls and underneath the ground floor to prevent the buildup of moisture as a result of cold, damp air not circulating properly. Trickle vents are small openings that can be found above the windows in some of your rooms. They allow a small amount of air to pass from one side of the window to the other, enabling you to benefit from the fresh air without having to open your window or door. It is recommended to leave these open. The purpose of a trickle vent is to provide permanent ventilation into rooms, and they also help reduce condensation and mold growth caused by dampness, as it helps with the drying out of the fabric of the building. You should regularly check for any blockage that may occur. The external section of the vent is designed to stop insects gaining access and other foreign matter getting into the vent. If your property has acoustic windows, however, you will not have trickle vents on the windows, but instead you will have a mechanical ventilation system designed specifically for your property, which keeps the air circulating around your house. Examples of the types of controlled ventilation extraction systems that can be found in your home are as follows. The first type of mechanical extraction you may find in your property could be the units that require no adjustments. Another type is a decentralized mechanical extract ventilation fan system, to intermittent ventilation with filters that require cleaning. For an extract unit with no adjustments, you will have a fan isolator switch outside your bathroom, which you must turn on in order for this ventilation to operate. For maintenance, you simply need to ensure that there are no blockages in the vent. The best option is to vacuum around the vent to ensure no dust or debris gets stuck. If you have a decentralized mechanical extract ventilation fan, then you will have a few options that you can adjust. This is a design system that will circulate air around your home when it is fitted, as it constantly runs at a very low rate when the fan is running at its normal rate. Only switch off the fuse for the fan, which is located at the top of the door, if maintenance needs to be carried out. The system has been set up to be the most efficient, but should you require any adjustments, then you can twist the cover anti-clockwise and pull it off. Press any button to activate the panel, and the current setup will be shown via the green lights. The room and speed settings cannot be adjusted, however you can turn the Humidity Smart and Timer Smart settings on and off. The Humidity Smart setting monitors the humidity of the extracted air at all times. A rapid rise in humidity from a bath or shower will be picked up by the sensor and cause the fan to automatically switch from trickle to boost mode. To turn this feature on, press this button. The green light will indicate if it is activated or deactivated. The Timer Smart setting monitors the length of time the unit has been in boost mode. Once the boost is deactivated, it provides a fixed overrun time period to best match the length of time that the boost was active. As you can see, the first 5 minutes will not activate an overrun. This reduces running noise and unnecessary energy wastage typically associated with traditional timers. To turn your Timer Smart setting on, press this button. The green light will indicate if it is activated or deactivated. To remove the filter from your intermittent ventilation, pull the filter from the side and it should slide out. If it requires cleaning, then using a standard vacuum cleaner is okay, or run them under a tap with lukewarm water and allow to dry. If you're looking to replace the filter, ensure you pick the correct one, and information can be found on the manufacturer's website. Whichever ventilation you have in your property, it is recommended that you keep them switched on and not switch off at the fuse switch. For more information relating to your mechanical ventilation, please refer to your user manual.